The Betta SE revolutionizes pool surface maintenance with solar-powered innovation combining twin salt chlorine-tolerant (SCT) motors delivering robust 24/7 continuous surface cleaning capability, removing leaves, dust, pollen, insects, and pet hair. This premium skimmer operates completely on solar power through high-capacity built-in lithium battery charged by strong, highly efficient solar panel with durable corrosion-resistant surface, requiring merely 5 to 6 hours recharging under direct sunlight. The impressive 30-plus hours continuous cleaning capacity on single charge provides exceptional operational endurance even during cloudy or rainy conditions, eliminating daily recharging requirements. The advanced ultrasonic radar sensors detect obstacles and guide Betta efficiently throughout entire pool surface, ensuring comprehensive cleaning without manual intervention. We share by links in description box. The re-engineered twin SCT motors provide extremely efficient and reliable operation through improved chip-controlled designs, ensuring continually trouble-free surface cleaning. The Aqua Dynamics design ensures exceptional efficiency, enabling remarkable 30-plus hour continuous operation representing industry-leading surface coverage capability. The large Easy Clean basket featuring fine mesh, 200-micron, construction includes convenient top handle enabling effortless emptying without removing skimmer from water. The adjustable water depth bumper rods prevent getting stuck in shallow water, enabling reliable operation throughout diverse pool depths. The wireless remote control facilitates easy mode switching and operation customization. The UV-resistant body with special coating and materials prevents damage from ultraviolet radiation throughout extended outdoor exposure. The saltwater and chlorine pool compatibility ensures reliable performance throughout diverse pool environments. The outstanding value combines solar power innovation, twin SCT motors, 30-plus hour runtime, obstacle detection, app control, and professional-grade engineering, establishing the skimmer as exceptional choice for effortless continuous pool surface